Spider Eye drone adopts a special-shaped aerodynamic layout structure, high technical requirements for power response speed, and sensitivity of electronic speed, regulator and flight control system. Flight control on the market is often bulk flight control, which can have poor water resistance. Spider Eye's flight control is fully wrapped, which increases waterproofness and durability. Using circuit protection boards instead of anti-sparking modules break through the technical barriers of circuit protection for large load drones. Only impeller flow meter is used to control acreage on the market. This flow meter has low accuracy and is easy to damage due to liquid impurities. Spider Eye has triple insurance to control the usage of water per unit plot. One is to use an electromagnetic flow meter to determine the water flow. At the same time, Spider Eye still uses dual channels formed to achieve accuracy. Reaching the millimeter level second, we used a weighing module and a liquid level meter to accurately measure water consumption. The common spraying system combination on the market use single water pump and high pressure nozzles. This will cause insufficient pressure, resulting in uneven spray. Spider Eye uses dual water pumps and centrifugal nozzles. It can spray evenly while ensuring sufficient pressure. This kind of blade has low carbon fiber content, which is easy to break and is easily deformed in high temperature environments. Spider Eye propeller blades have a high carbon fiber content, which is not easy to break and has higher stability.